In this video, I'll detail how to turn off screen time on iPhone 6X Plus and ordinary 6. So with this, you can easily turn off your screen time if it is active. So if I don't know this video, if you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do when you want to turn off screen time on your iPhone is go to your iPhone settings. Then while on the settings page, just scroll down like this and click on screen time. So search for screen time while on the settings page, please click on that. Then once you select the screen time, you should have access to your iPhone screen time information just like this. Now you want to scroll down until you see turn off screen time. Go ahead and click on that. Once you click on that, you should see a pop that says turn off screen time or cancel. Screen time will no longer be reported, and all limit, downtime settings, content and priority restriction and communication settings will be turned off when you turn off screen time. Then go ahead and tap turn off. Then hang on. That is it. You should see the screen time turn off on your iPhone 6. So this I can easily turn off screen time on iPhone 6, iPhone 6X and iPhone 6X Plus. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.